Hello students of class 10th, welcome in SST class. Today in Geography chapter 5 part 2. Same chapter minerals and energy resources. In this chapter today we will discuss about the classification of minerals. Means how it's divided, classified minerals. Okay. Minerals classified into two more major sections: metallic, non-metallic, energy minerals. Under two metallic minerals, ferrous, non-ferrous and precious. Means under two metallic those minerals will come having found metal. Okay, जिसमें धातुएं होती हैं वो metallic है. Non-metallic minerals also as mica. And next one is energy minerals, means energy giving minerals. Under two energy giving minerals will come coal and petroleum, fossil fuels, means by which natural gases, by which we got energy. Non-metallic, mica, rocks, minerals, those minerals will come. Okay. And let us discuss about firstly metallic minerals, and under two metallic minerals, ferrous minerals. Okay, under two ferrous minerals are those having component and particle of iron. जिसमें कुछ संख्या तक आयरन होता है वो फेरस मिनरल्स में आते हैं, और उसमें मोर ओवर है आयरन एंड मीन्स a lot of as iron ore having belts in India, and iron is the base of ferrous mineral. Okay, iron is the base of development, and iron ores we are getting in India. Moreover, Odisha and Jharkhand, Mayurbhanj, means these places is very famous for the getting iron metal. Okay, and Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra, Durgapur, Bhilai, Raurkela, Karnataka, these places we get means iron ore. And under to iron also having a lot of types. First one is which have finest quality of iron having magnetite. Magnetite having 70% of iron. And next second one is hematite. Hematite having 50 to 60 to 50%. Okay, so means these are the under to ferrous iron ore. Next one is manganese. Manganese is also very important. It will come under to ferrous minerals having iron component. It's used for the manufacturing and a lot of materials, building materials, utensils, and alloy. Alloy is also under to metallic ferrous mineral. Okay. Next one is non-metallic. Under to non-metallic, non-ferrous minerals, copper, bauxite, these minerals will come under to non-metallic minerals. Okay, non-ferrous minerals. Okay, next one is non-metallic minerals. Under to non-metallic minerals, mica, rock minerals will come. And under to this, metallic precious minerals. Under to metallic precious minerals, gold, silver, these things will come, and it is more precious and it's used for the jewelry. Okay. Under to energy minerals, biogas, natural gases, petroleum we are getting in our India much more, by which we are running nowadays, and those energy resources is very important for the development and for easier transportation. Petroleum, diesel and natural gases very important. It is energy giving minerals. Okay. Under to energy resources, it is also divided into form: conventional and non-conventional. Conventional form of energy, it's taken in formation a long period, like coal, petroleum, natural gases. These things, means each formation takes a long of time. And non-conventional energy, it's freely and available easily: atomic energy, solar energy, means these things, wind power, these use, means we got easily and it's not taken a long time. Okay, means energy giving resources is very important because we are running, and those countries which being developed first, who have used much more these energy giving resources and done their work quick and fast. Okay, under to non-conventional form of energy, solar energy. We are using much more nowadays. Solar energy is the best form of energy free of pollution. Okay, मीन्स सोलर पैनल्स जो हम आज यूज कर रहे हैं, जिसका यूज हम इरिगेशन में भी कर रहे हैं, घर में लाइटनिंग के लिए कर रहे हैं, खाना पकाने के लिए कर रहे हैं. इट इज वेरी बेस्ट एंड इजियर फॉर्म ऑफ energy giving resources. Wind power, in Rajasthan and those deserty areas having wind power much more, and we are using nowadays by the wind power. It is also we got easily biogas generated by the decomposition of those materials, and it is very means important and useful for us. टाइडल एनर्जी, टाइडल मीन्स जो समुद्री लहरों से पानी के ज्वार भाटा आने पर ऊपर चढ़ने से और नीचे गिरने से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो प्रोड्यूस की जाती है, एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज द बेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी गिविंग रिसोर्स एंड वी कैन नॉट लिव ए सिंगल डे विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिक. ओके, बिकॉज वी बिकम हैबिचुअल. टाइडल एनर्जी मीन्स दिस एनर्जी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वी आर यूजिंग for the development. Okay, conservation of resources, next and last headline of this chapter. Conservation of resources means means संसाधनों का संरक्षण. संसाधनों का संरक्षण बहुत ही important है for the next generation and for the development of our country or whole over the world, because we have to hand over the resources whatever we get from nature. Okay, so means we should use those resources as the sustainable development. Sustainable development is very important and need of that time, because means without the harming the nature, without any we have to develop, but we have to not break the chain of nature. And overpopulation nowadays become the cause of pollution, and pollution also become the cause of means harming the nature and resources. Okay, like water resource, wind resources, means these are our natural component. Soil, these are resources, means it's natural and abiotic resources also nowadays, means day to day it is losing their purity and quality due to pollution. So we have to manage it and we have to use it proper way for the development without harming the nature. Okay, we have to use the resources for need, not for the greed. It is the main means mantra of the conservation of resources. So the sum up of this chapter 5, minerals and energy resources, means whatever minerals and whatever energy resources having prosperous and rich in India, we have to use in proper way for the development under to sustainable development. Okay, means हमें अपना विकास भी करना है और इससे प्रकृति पर और इससे मीन्स हमारे नेचर पे कोई साइड इफेक्ट न पड़े, यह भी हमें ध्यान में रखना है. और हमें अपने मिनरल्स रिसोर्सेज, एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज सभी का ध्यान से यूज करना है, हमें उसका दुरुपयोग नहीं करना है. वी हैव टू यूज इट इन प्रॉपर वे ओनली फॉर द डेवलपमेंट एंड वी हैव टू हैंड ओवर फॉर द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. ओके, थैंक्स.